Okay, so more from the Bray Airshow. Sandra, tell us what's coming up on the agenda.
Okay, sure. We have the Royal Jordanian Falcons, then followed by the Catalina, the Irish Air Corps, Swedish Air Force Historic Flight. Then we'll see the British Spitfire and Seafire, the Black Knights, the Strike Masters, Norwegian MiG and Vampires, Eddie Goggins, the Ravens, wanna see them, Irish Coast Guard Search and Rescue Demonstration, Aer Lingus DC-3, and finally Irish Parachute Club.
Thank you, Sandra. And the other thing to remember here is that they aren't necessarily going to come in this order. In accordance with the weather, flying conditions, winds, they'll change this order completely. So you'll just have seen the Irish Coast Guard in their Sikorsky 92s flying by. They were supposed to come second last, and they've actually opened up with that. So we'll keep coming back to you. Thank you very much.